Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage returns and refunds on ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, products, fulfillment analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and lastly, the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage returns and refunds on ShopBase. So managing returns and refunds on ShopBase is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction. Basically, go to your ShopBase admin panel and log in with your credentials, and then in the admin panel, navigate to orders and then all orders, which is here. Then click on the order you want to manage. At the moment, I don't have any, but when you have some, they will be here. This will take you to the order details page. Click on refund item. You will be directed to the refund items page. Then enter the number of the products you want to refund. The summary and refund amount section will automatically calculate to the total refund for the customer. If applicable, enter the shipping free amount for the refund in the refund shipping section. Review the refund details and click refund to process the refund. Optionally, you can send a notification to the customer about the refund. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be, as I already told you, everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.